Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know, today I will be talking about my favorite top 7 brushes from PAK Cosmetics. Now this is not a sponsored video or anything. I have seen a lot of people requesting and commenting down below, please do a video on brushes from PAK Cosmetics. So I thought let's do a top 7 brushes. You guys already know I have so many brushes from PAK Cosmetics as well that you know taking out top 7 was really hard, but I think this 7 is a must have for all of you out there, even beginners, even makeup artists, makeup lovers, everybody. If you don't know, I have been using PAK Cosmetics since 2016 and I have been loving their brushes, their makeup, their skincare products and lot more. They have amazing quality and they are affordable too. I won't say they are cheap affordable, I would say they are drugstore kind of affordable, so I think that's great as well. Now these brushes are of good quality, they are sturdy, they don't shed a lot. Now before jumping onto the video, let me just tell you I have used lots and lots of brushes from different brands like Sigma, MAC, then there's Morphe and lot more, but the quality of these brushes are so different and so good that I absolutely love. And they have whole range of brushes. If you haven't seen my Kolkata PAK Cosmetics store vlog, just check it out. You will see the brush collection they have and you can definitely go to the shop and check out for all the brushes or these brushes which I'm going to recommend you. Also you can get these online, so I'm going to mention the link down in the description box below. So moving on to the first brush, let's start with the base first. Alright, I am starting with this PAK Cosmetics 005. It is a flat kabuki brush. Now this is very dense, hence it gives very nice high coverage and it also blends out the foundation very well. Now you can definitely dab it or you can swirl it, whatever you like, but I like to just blend it like this and then buff it in really nicely. This brush definitely gives you that nice coverage which definitely looks matte as well. Now I'm not a big fan of foundation brushes, as you know, but still if I want I can definitely use this. And if you are somebody who likes applying foundation with brushes, try this out. Now the price of this is 745 rupees and this definitely does not shade and I have never seen that. It has been a year I have been using this and it's quite easy to clean and I really like the quality as well. Now if you want that very nice medium to high coverage finish with matte, so definitely check out a kabuki brush. You can definitely check out the PAK one. Next up I have a stippling brush from PAK Cosmetics. Now this is PAK 306. Now this I bought it in 2016 itself. Now this is something which I am definitely a fan of. Now stippling brushes can be used in multiple ways. Now you can use your foundation or your primer. Now you can use your foundation or your primer, concealer, your contour, blush, liquid highlighter, anything with this single brush. And I like using this brush for my blush and sometimes to blend out my contour. Now, I do not use this to blend out my foundation as this gives very sheer finish which definitely looks airbrushed, but I personally prefer medium coverage. So yeah, that is why I do not use it. But for blush, for blending out the cream contour or the cream highlighter, this works perfectly. So the price of this stippling brush is 635. So the next one is the PAK 261 brush. Now this is a very beautiful fluffy powdery brush. Now this is again a multi-purpose brush. You can use this to blend your contour, your bronzer, your blush, and you can also set your under eyes with some loose powder or your full face with some compact powder or loose powder, whatever you like. So this is a multi-purpose brush. I love this so much. It is very fluffy, very soft. I have been using this from like 2-3 years. Like even I have applied this contour using this brush which blended so nicely and so effortlessly that I love this brush and I'm definitely going to recommend this one if you are searching for a big fluffy brush which will help you to apply your bronzer very nicely, do your contour or set your under eyes or apply your blush anything, just go for it. So the price of this is 545 rupees. Next up, I have this PAK 215 brush. Now this is how the brush is going to look like. It is a fluffy kind of a brush but angular. I mean, I actually use this brush to apply my concealer, my spot corrector, and if you have little bit of spots on your cheeks or on your forehead, you can definitely spot correct with this brush. This is small, it is precise and also fluffy at the same time, so it is going to blend it very nicely. So you can use this brush to, you know, spot correct, and you can also blend out your under eye or nose contour with this. It actually works very well. And the price of this is 435 rupees. Next, I have this PAK 204 brush. It is a rounder fluffy brush. It is an eyeshadow blending brush. It is like a medium sized eyeshadow brush. It is a blending brush, by the way, so you can apply any eyeshadow on your crease, and also you can pack a little bit on your eyelid with the same brush. Now this won't give you that most pigmented eyeshadow on your eyelid because it's not a shader brush, but still, if you are going for a very nice, you know, just a soft look, you can try only one brush like this and do your whole eye makeup. It will work really nicely. If you want, you can also take a little bit of glitter on this and just, you know, pat it. It will blend very nicely. Now the price of this is 535 rupees. Next, I have this PAK 202 pencil brush. It is a very small, precise pencil kind of a brush. It helps to smudge out your upper lash line, lower lash line, your kajal, your liner, your gel liner, anything. So also you can use this to apply a little bit of inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight, nose highlight and everything. I just love this brush. I have been using this since 2016 and I love it so much. It is still there, it does not shade, it is still precise and it blends out the product very well. And the price of this is 495 rupees. I am definitely going to recommend this brush to you. Now lastly, I have this PAK 126 brush. It is a very small blending brush. Now if you are somebody who loves doing cut creases or, you know, just smoky eyes and you need a small blending brush, you can try this out. It is extremely small, as you can see. It blends out the product very well, just precisely, and it is very fluffy and it has a longer brush. Now for me, I definitely use this to apply my inner corner highlight, nose highlight, brow bone highlight, and sometimes I like to, you know, do precise blending with this brush. I love this so much. Now the price of this is 595 rupees. So if you are searching for a small precise blending brush, go for it. So with that, I am done with this video. Those are the 7 brushes from PAK Cosmetics which I'm definitely going to recommend and I love them. So thank you guys for watching. I am going to mention the links down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. So if you guys want more such videos like you know, brushes from Cuffs and Lashes, brushes from Real Techniques or any other brand like Morphe or Sigma, just let me know in the comment section below. Or if you want something else like any other videos like a review or a first impression or anything, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you find this video helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.